I can go ahead and get started. I need to clean up my garage. It is a total shit show in there. Just to fill you guys in really quick, within the last week I have gone through hell being a homeowner. My dryer went out, my stove went out, and my AC for the entire house went out all in the same week. So you guys can imagine how stressed and financially damaged I have been within the last week. So pretty much all the money I had to put into this car and the 6-speed Supra, all gone. So I'm back to zero. But for now, I gotta clean all this shit up because I need to get busy to make more videos and hopefully make a little bit more revenue to invest back into the cars. So all this has got to go. I gotta clean everything up. I mean, look at this. I gotta sell these wheels too. Anybody wants them, please let me know. I'm not gonna be using them anymore. So yeah, time to get busy and clean all this shit up. This looks 10 times better. Not perfect, but with all the stuff that I have in a small garage, this is as good as it's gonna get. At least I have a lot of room to be able to walk around and work on my table here. Now let's go ahead and get to the point of this video, and that's this box right here from Ravuni. I'm not sure how many of you guys have heard of this company, but this company here offers very nice vinyl wraps for all your cars. Many of you guys know that I have actually been in the market for some vinyl wrap for a couple of cars, right? And I've been looking around, looking for very particular colors, and this one really caught my attention. Not only because they offer the color that I want, but the quality of it, based on the videos and all the footage that I saw, looked really good. I've always been very particular about the wraps that I've used. For those who don't know, that Supra was wrapped in 3M black vinyl, and it was on the car for, let's say, about 5 years. For like a whole year. It did sit out in the hot summer heat, and it handled it perfectly. Now this Supra right here, which for those who don't know, I actually wrapped myself 100% from front to back, everything. This is also 3M wrap. It's like it's basically the closest thing I could get to anthracite, and it's been on the car for 2 years already. Very nice. So I ended up reaching out to Ravuni, seeing if they would want to work with me, and thankfully they did reply, and we got a deal worked out between both of us. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna be showing you guys the quality of it. I'm gonna put it to some pretty intensive stretching tests. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Oh boy. I haven't even seen the color and I'm already getting excited. I mean, I've seen it online, but I've never seen it in person. Gotta keep it on the stands here. Are you guys ready? I mean, the color shines through the bag already, but woo-wee. Damn. Oh man, this looks so good. Holy shit. Oh dude, this looks amazing. Ravuni. Man, you guys did a killer freaking job on this color. You guys, I am blown away. I knew it looked good from what I saw online, but damn, I didn't think it was gonna look this good. Bro, this looks like paint, dude. It's like a metallic red, almost looks kind of like a candy red. My favorite color is red, right? So this is, I should order like 3 of these. How's that for a thumbnail? But I'm gonna wrap a couple of cars so I can showcase my skills once again, and then obviously have something to show for, so that way you guys can see the type of work that I can do. And obviously from there I'll start taking on customers, and yeah, we'll go from there. Obviously this is just me going for it. I've been thinking about this for many years, and I think it's just giving it a shot and see what happens. You know, the same thing goes with the whole fabrication stuff. You guys know that I've actually built a lot of stuff already. You know, downpipes for the twin turbo Mustang, full exhaust for the 6-speed Supra, from the wastegate, downpipe, mid-pipe exhaust, intercooler piping. I've done a lot of work. So the straight pipes on these cars. So I've done a lot, and you know, times are changing. You know, sometimes we got to do things that we're very uncomfortable with, you know, and sometimes getting out of your own comfort level is what we got to do. So yeah, I'm gonna be, you know, getting everything ready to hopefully start, you know, being able to put all this stuff that I've learned throughout the years to good use. Now the question is really when I'm gonna get all that started. I'm not 100% sure, but it is going to happen, you guys. So for all of you who have been asking me, hey, can you do this? Hey, can you do this? Hey, can you build me this? Very soon the answer to that is going to be yes. I will be able to fix up your cars, and you know, whatever you want done to it, I'll make it happen for you guys. For those who have been wondering about the cars, I mean, this Supra here, it's for those who know the build level of this car, you know, the maintenance is somewhat higher than normal. So for example, on this one, the bushings on my diff, I guess all the torque, it destroyed the bushings. So I gotta install some new bushings on there. I gotta change out the transmission fluid with the filter, everything, and just kind of do some routine maintenance on it, because when I drive it really, really hard. This car here, I was planning on doing a cam and blower job on it, but with all the shit that went wrong in my house, there went all my money. So if you guys want to support your boy, like, subscribe, comment on the videos, and hopefully soon I can gather some funds to put some money into this car. Now in regards to the Mustang, so this car here, I didn't film anything regarding this because of the frustration that I was going through. So as many of you guys know, I built a very, very strong Turbo 400 transmission for this car, and I had been seeing transmission fluid leaking, and I was, you know, I just couldn't understand where it was coming from. So long story short, one of the freaking bolts that hold the pump to the transmission was missing. It was probably never installed, and basically whenever the car sat for a week or two, all the fluid from the converter would drain back into the transmission, and then it leaked out. So I ended up having to remove the entire transmission from the car, putting the bolt in there, tightening it up, reinstalling everything again. The car's perfect now. Zero leaks. Zero leaks. It runs fantastic. The only thing is that whenever I was under the car, I think one of the turbo manifold, one of the headers, has a crack on it. You guys want to have high horsepower cars, you're gonna have high horsepower problems. There's always something going on. This car here, it's done. As you guys saw in one of the previous videos, I just need to decide whether I'm gonna tune it like this, or if I'm gonna go ahead and build it and then tune it. I have a lot of the parts for it, but again, labor and, you know, other stuff is thousands of dollars, which I do not have right now. So I don't know what to do here. Old Faithful here. Even though this car hasn't been driven in a long time, on the first crank that this baby fires up. Still not sure what I want to do to this car. More than likely I will rebuild it eventually when I have more time, but I'm gonna the motor is already fully built. It's a fully built forged internals, Crowder turbo grind cams. The engine's fine, but I would like to rebuild the turbo kit, maybe doing like a bumper exit, something more, you know, aggressive, to showcase my fabrication skills. Again, that's one of my goals. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I wanted to give you guys just a quick update on everything that I've had going on. I know my uploads have been a little bit more spread apart. Just life's been putting me to the test. It has been putting me to the test, like really bad, but I'm not giving up. I'm still going. Today is Father's Day, and I'm out here working. I was actually doing some sheetrock on the garage back there for my dogs just yesterday. I dehydrated myself, so I feel like shit right now. But just an update for you guys, man. I hope you guys have had a great week, and thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll reveal which car is gonna get this beautiful Ravuni car wrap.